Ho ho ho. I had to do it, sorry. And hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have another of my weekly stamping nail art tutorial videos for you. This week's Facebook group theme is hosted by me, and because Christmas is almost here, I decided to go with the theme of Merry Christmas. The theme itself was pretty much open, so it could have been anything that's related to Christmas or the holidays in general. The only rule is that we have to have at least one stamp design on our nails. That's the purpose of this Facebook group collab, and I am really loving every single manicure that was created for this collab, so thank you so much ladies for joining me, and I do hope that you had fun creating your manis. I also would like to wish Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support in 2019. The year flew by, and I will have one more nail art tutorial video for you this year. After that we are hopping over into 2020, so everybody have a safe year in case if you don't come back in the meantime, but I would appreciate if you would hit the subscribe button before you leave my channel, and of course if you do enjoy nail art tutorial videos, please also thumbs up my video. I will link for you all the links to the other videos that were created for this collab in the description box, and of course you will find all the pictures at the end of my video as well, so I do hope you will enjoy it. Alright, that's it for this quick intro. Keep on watching. Thank you so much guys for all your support, for being here, for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.
We will